kuma ko 70 anope shas ye gidi adwuma na shas ye no enti enene memene da said ye aban de beto ho no enti ohwe regions na a Greater Accra region, and then so that will be July 10th, Friday July 10th, and Saturday July 11th. Now I also said the New Patriotic Party MPP the communique Aba. Kevin, do you have the communique? MPP for the communique Aba. Sir, nyame boa omo mbeto aba ne kra no. Uwie ya ntem na waye wakwako ye clean up nibi, because a lot of question was coming say na then na clean up no na a month for to abania, but communicate I was so happy. So the Greater Accra region, as I remember communicating, the Greater Accra region, the Ashanti region, the Central region, the Western region, Western North region, Eastern region, and then Volta region. Mami Ramu Greater Accra region. Na upon Techeku, Mr. the senior journalist. Upon Aropai Marche.
Nkwantabisa bememu. Anopai mejoso.
O simpremu na bubi aboko de.
Adum ne hwe se twedi ampo Nyankopon basa yedom toturubu so boso ne asafeti atia no nkwa ewo yemu die anopai
piao nkwanso odihye ba da enso dan famu koi na bibia ye kama idie said ya bind the beja say on the 10th and 11th to say obia moa Ghana nyina region 7 ye mo na modemu tibreke se pa yamfa nyensiesie na yenhwe se obia enye adwuma yamfa ntete e gatem ba bia o siesie bia in the national capital no Accra say na niam city o ho anope
Nkwantabisa me da say enu a ensentrofo nhia mu ko so ana Minister for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs Mira Ahmed Ibrahim any ensentrofo din komo ebra na abo no 9 nunu enwure na efa eyedwumedie no empompon so sene o machechim ene kwan yedwumedie ni besifa akoso enti ene ye fiadai mampani de kia ka say ye nam yenu ene ne wochena enti ene no o machemu se Ghana ha nyina ministries awohoro aban adwumakuo na hyebedwa fie ka ho bie aban atena ye ka ho bie wona wo so the cabinet meeting be you ho a cabinet meeting nka ho ye twam enti no ene no eye aban enyumakuo awohoro ye medi kan bobo ebi so afoforo ka ho bie ena omudi dwumaso no na anopei ade ba ko a metima abo eye mpanifo abaso ene se dwumedie bi ase akofem ye pa anka ene afiaden Nkwantabisa sabre anka traffic pa achi won kran ejedifo ko kantamantofo ko di omugya ebinum so ekwa akofo ka akomu fie ebinum fie adwuma ekọ enkran atemudin ana obia eboaboa no ho de no ho ewura eye exercise mu bie ena so afọ ni bi tutwache mu se akade a wobehia de ye wadwuma de wahye mensin kopon ni nyina mu so obia mo no homoden na wontini provide logistics enti ministries awuro no mu de ya provide all these logistics just obia ede eye adwuma e wa hanu sei nokure ni eni ka papa na anopei Nkwantabisa mame hese metimi ni eye one more prep ministry san we say ni bi any committee awa misa wo mo jumedi say anon besi fa aka no ye ma me ba ku bi e wo me ntia wa han say a Nkwantabisa ye ni no ko twetwe no as mo me nya asem bia ye mo akwa baba Sompa TV Sompa ye nya me de gidi se wo ye Nyankopon adom mo mama enefia de ye ni sanka sabre de no akobo no wotwi bi anka mu sese mu ho abadwuma ne pa mo be pie mu ha no se na mu sese ha de na obeka che Ghana for je me ka che Ghana for no say medru sanka bi nya ke ye kwa mu bi me kan fan che say every week or every other 2 weeks or month ka ye sese important mu amaba bi ye tie ama ye njuma mu ye hwe na no atọrọnchọ kesi a eto yenya no bi o areas bi na ya honote sebe enyo maami a ebe yo sisa enyo sister be wanfo enyo wadanfo be yo baby ade bi a wonu no ti efo se medru maye nyewi maye njai bi no ka to bi adani dan na se de meka na so be so bi na ebe ada 2 weeks bi anka yentu da say ensiwo nsisie me da se we adwuma o ministry sa betray Mira say enti ye maame baako na ye ne no edi enkomo no ye maame baako bi so wa ha no sei ye ne onu so eni nkomo enhwe mama ye hwe niema ya ekuta wa na se wodi ye adwuma ya Wellington boots gloves any prayer wodi pray one of the few ana
Pacho de ministry me provide my
ntu ye adwuma ministry sa
me pacho ai
dia na obeka che Ghana for
the American say awuni die hia was say, ye dear winnie papa say, ye besha say, and patamum, say ye fear. Any point say, a bind the catcher and say, yem pra, and sana ya sorry pra. And a baller na, yen she'll try as ye the goon she'll I'm in shame the nacono, and in Nama and she'll talk a crana flood. I bet 2 years. Ebie store ye store simuni emenyi na kotugu nini nemu ye se aban u si dan wo nsuano unim se nsuano de nsuo de etre o se wanya nsuano si dan tu be koso esi dan wo nsuo na enti no eba ne sa nsuo to na nsuo na da wo no etre na be fa wo da o se aban mosom mesre minua no say ye win ntem sa bi we ya me koye bedu baby no emwa me enti eni kwan se me kwaro se de be aye nyina ye ho beto ye na atoye ntem bia entry ye wa bra esubra na eto
me da se mame ye mame bi na Nkwantabisa ye ne no edi enkomo no aprapra ne de eno ano mo prapra ni sansan penifo se ye bodam 50 inti ministries no na eye adwumayefo no mo ye adwuma o ministries na ato mo agu monten so a mantia ni so ekuta eye shovel eni eye wheelbarrow a almost prepare yi nwura no enyina ade akwa hu baabi we no enya te say ye prawie na fe yi niema ni nyina wi a na ye jedi egu wo no sa ye pray yi niema na afia wo enkanyina ye wi ya sanso pege wura no e de firi o mununi na ne da kwakopie eye bia ye fofo nti eye ade e koso na regional local government minister efi eye ministry ya no se ya onu so e de nani e be chemo mia ye bia eno no so obekwa hwe se na dwumadie no ekoso rezanse ye hwemu dwumadie no ne nanso na esie enti no ewo se wo hwe etoto niema ema bibia etimi ekoso Nkwantabisa eye Greater Accra Regional Minister nso onu so ete ne ho de agum na onu bia ya woko ene anopai enie oko wejabawe ayawa so central okankwe north la Nkwantanan Madina Tema West and after AMA. Miaye and a Greater Accra Regional Minister or no, Edineni Equaco Chimu. As a young Kenyan to say, a Yanamilu or Chena Doma or Chnano, a J4, one more Muchika GPRT for any Eja Obibia or Ghana, and we say, Oto Adequa cement on. Says Sabi, who you would this year and then not Chawaka Kusena. but more than say what China Irish one, no minimum permanent, wait me at the Danny Bibia, the atoll, what we say, on Potamo, and ye, we are don't go up before this and up with seeing, and now so be seen, in them, now to win your coin, now also walk up, not to walk up to do my dear, so share a boy. I should say, dear, when yet to send normal sanitation, dear, no, and a madam one, a post for national security form, a can't be a woman in any name. Why you could say, Minia, say, 1 year to Mamma Penia, say, and ma, anybody.
Now, all right, enthusiasm now, and to say, I'm out for the day won't come on now, wait, dear, and I said, I am willing and ready.
Kwanta no kureni ame enemy se na meka ye no ye mo eye ahwe na baso sanse we ye exercise me hu ni se akofem ye pa anka na efia de Nkwantabisa de wan manfo a ekuto mo kenten ekuto mo niema omo ko muja ya close shops nyina ya close offices nyina ya close dwumadie bi impo aduane aye noa aye disi kwa mpokura no sabe ni nya hu bia ye nti no we ni ye ade a se Ghana for na nyade esan se enne na aka obi o kire betinya ka ho wo mu ano mo ti omo ansu hiri efo wo mu na wo twetwe mu koyi omo ana nyene da se nsu betima bedi omunya sa nsu edi omunya nti no we ade bi a edi eye ohwebo edi abaga ni bia mu bia etimi de no era eye se dwumadi we mu a eye se ntwofo nsu pokura no ye ka ho bie.
Okay. Alapa moni adwuma menimsa wate asimi de ase akrantia tiasi no baye bi mu no uba dodu gina ya ba ni aba alapa rewam ba bia bedru bia me ante onka
me da Nkwantabisa
senior opon checheku mo ni adwuma opon checheku ya mani boni ono ane parliamentary correspondence answer na otonkra free Greater Accra, the nation's capital. Na anopay or they esum yang enso ewo na yara so jinam oba Ashanti regional ene ewo oba Western regional ewo Western region proper, Western North ewo Eastern region for jinam, Volta region ejinam enti yebe movie miamia ne sa 7 regions. And as exercise ekoso. So it's from today. And there a fiade a china memen so ejinem. Na ohwe said ye and yamasi out him say people are ready to clean up. There make us say we don't need the government say Babeka say yempla pram sanya prapra. And I yeni potebuni. But sometimes leadership is of importance, it's of essence. And maybe we have to, you see, we can get it if we really want to. So mind your BBA with a clear-cut approach, with good leadership, you bet to achieve. Sometimes a true BBA, it shouldn't be a portioning of blames. Blame games, you know, and MY. And this camo is on go to or Donna. I don't know what this cano. I don't know about Nesicano. Egunim passe. What is the next step for us? And then, yeah. Because can say Gunim pass, say Guni wardrobe, say go the water tank, whatever. No. And so they yiri innocent people. And for that, me bega say, yeah, Tanasea, I am Yahushana. That shouldn't be the case. So leadership is of essence. Leadership is of essence. And a lot of times, you know, I listen to people that will be like, where are we going? Why is that the patriotism? Yen ara ayasasini ya bodindin maye moja na nanom hwiegu eto ho mayen. That drew baby say adru me ne wo so say ye beye bi atoaso. You see, and to aso no any asem. And to aso no any asem no. Adru say be part no. Nya agenda portion of blame. Na ye tan. Now the MPP aya ade am na mefe. Ye yira nim say etena abato obekoso. na ene die polling stage constituencies ni mu nyina ye hye ko so bia ni abreso okoto aba. Now this is the letter from the secretariat. The general secretary Ensa Eshase. In fact, if it will not be a lip service alone, Kababwa. See, this letter was issued on the 8th of July, 3 days ago. That was say, New Patriotic Party to elect national officers Saturday, September. Oh, nyewe Kevin. Okay, we the no an me the nenye no anu ha. Many you. Since amun twem na me. The New Patriotic Party joins nationwide general cleaning exercise. The leadership of the New Patriotic Party, NPP, directs all members of the party to actively participate in the nationwide general cleaning exercise declared by the president, scheduled for Friday, July 10th and Saturday, 11, 2026. In view of the party constituency election on Saturday, July 11, 2026, members are encouraged to participate in the cleaning exercise immediately after casting their ballot, as voting is conducted on a walk-in basis. The party calls on all members to demonstrate their unwavering commitment to environmental sanitation, civic responsibility, and national development through their active participation. Signed, Justin Frimpoko, their General Secretary. You see, this is what we expect. And now, holistically, I'm expecting all communicators and everyone, especially in these 7 regions, say you better come forward and say you better encourage people to participate, rather than say you better NDC with their usual rhetorics, MPP with their usual rhetorics. Now, for the NDC for Babaka say MPP for mu ye ya kianuha kamuti odon and mu ye we ya na ahanso Ashanti regions omuti die be mu. And then MPP for so Babetenase Ababa garage project honsem ala World Bank say ala Mokra say ala ministry that confused. I said your minority, yes, unnecessary press conference. No. This is not time for sign your mawi. Idea was here na push because so many for so kunkum for 32 Greater Accra. Go to the western regions and check. So yen timi fa we nyoma say and so enya amanyo sem ye de ya enye ye. So that is a very good initiative, and I say a good statement. And you're right, Justin Frimpoko, and yeah, paper winning more encourage everyone. So secretariat now secretary for that more to me now for moon room. When why you to for now any fe. We any say Jedru ha say anke working day. It is say you have to 2 ministries, you have to 2 departments, all because say, I was say yeah, clean up pesticides. And can you see a drewer? Any see a drewer? Because I buy number through the ministry, no local government. Every first Saturday of the month, be I'm here clean up pesticides. I don't tell me say I was a ministry sometimes, you know, and then you also follow. Also, more yet, you know, review nyoma. You can't do the same thing expecting a different, you know, answer. It is every Saturday, dear. You won't say emfa. You mpe from fanfaso. Femfa, we should find another way. Oh, ana ya so. It ought to be a this idea 2 years. What does all your clean up exercise? Kwabra ni store wa ha. Gata da nanim. ya fa ni se oni akande oni gloves oni warranty boot oni eniema a wo de beye hwe gata amanfo tim oni niema a wo de beye that is fine. Now through the ministry no and the assembly no the niema eba the niema eba. I think we would be champion guys in best of we or through the ministry the niema eba say obi abenya kan de de beye adwuma, and sometimes fire service is there to blow the gutters bia yentimi nye ni nyina with manual no wo shop no na mo amuni se gutter ne fa munche shop no de ma mebie but mutifie sa suban na suban fun suban tantan na de ya no kra se nipa na ono no shop no bia by age ontimi me active but ne kwada ono omu ye adwuma no say ne de ma mo adwuma omu so be clean up sabi ma me fancy o enfa for na e clean up na no pa o metinem adwene nye. It is not helping us. Yensuni aban no, it's not helping us. Now I catch you and then you see a bit clean up exercise on Timontina fee. A bobo bear one number by why. Almost say, omubeye. Almost say, omubeye. Na sabi, and so the banner before shopper. Send out mobile no mama mattress ne and tontom net. Yeah, Jenny, yeah. Sometimes I make you want me to say. And your man, you soon near by a time. So wait, dear, yes, sir. Yenina. Say me point ya me jam. A point ya no pay 9:30 at 10. No me room. A china me jam. I make yourself in so the abamu. No, I make us say what the bisababa. You see, the little that you can do. Onya shavu wo de otwe ba ko bi gata nkwa na ntimi a ye de abegu no ase gu barum wa pushi akọ ba bia say ye dini nyine gu ama ika kese abefa no. That is how we do. We are here no wonsom pa nye nyina ye time ye adwuma no ba wo hye dem ahwe TV urati ya go po ke vi odi de be bufu pa odi de be type pa bese mmebi ye bisa na mi ginam na aropa onim de obi ka kire bi of say o Nkwantabisa mi hu se na wo ginam na mse a na wo say o se na mi hwe TV na mi na mse ti na hwe dem hwe TV no hwe dem hwe TV a ka kire be se o hu me oro na o hwe dem na o hwe me o hwe TV ye na clean up exercise no Ade Akye. This is papa ta ja oje a o de ase o. Babra hwe na ye ngura asante mantem na me kokon kitinkiti na enche abijafo nso beba. Enwe Ashanti region so bawa ni redum sa amre omo ni namu a ehwe areas matise areas ni bi o adopa kra asat 6:30 and 6 name ma ba monte omo twen se assembly ne yidi nyoma logistics ne beba na the way forward no motimi spearhead na say o ye koye ni ma no. So in Ashanti region I had that information from there. Na baba nkoko nkitinkite ne so hwe sabu kuye krami ma memie page we say agriculture and business development. Okay. Na buku ye buku be. This is resetting Ghana. NDC manifesto. Mebwa. Okay. The Ghana we want. The Ghana we want. Okay. Now, and go on getting no. It was a promise. So I promise no feed Ghana. Ni nyina aka ho. Say be feed Ghana. So we are expecting say anya hwe no kra no. Sike be free mu aba nkoko a ye be expect 7.2 million. Na onim baby am hu se nkokon kitinkiti no. Proper planning ankom. Me ka baby am hu se me cho se ministry no anwe anko achehwe. Eduru baby no. Na Ministry of Agric ehunu se ne dia. Ana president special initiative for no so hu se omodia. Na confusion abem. There was one coordinator for broilers. The Kevin Okran. On the coordinator National Broilers Directorate. Na utie emra omoya registration a. They decided say household bar anya hwe no ombenya be 50 bears. Ombenya 50 bears. At the household bia. After distribution, now one hour benefiting household bako interview, they said so many 15 instead of 50 bears. Okay, for a household, not individual, for a household. Okay, now the budget are allocated for the Americans say hey, Ghana initiative view wa eba unhwe akira no won se ade we pa faso ben pa na bebre na nkokon kitinkiti no any feed Ghana no enema almost strategize se begu akwam feed Ghana no se be ya every element in it ne bebotoa yenye mu ba akokra. And so see yeah nkokon kitinkiti. So what na madwen say over 300 million ya budget say for South Feed Ghana na yadi mu be 250 nkokon kitinkiti ho. What is the benefit as o man ye benya free mu? Any ade ba ma adwen mu. And the money involved no enye sika keto say sika kitikiti bedru ba biom so piloting and deben and fine gosia na brofu bebre. Government allocated a budget of 245 million for the Nkokon Kitinkiti household and backyard poultry production initiative under the 2026 national budget. Nkokon Kitinkiti nkwa. Oba also, the budget is part of the broader Feed Ghana program aimed at cutting down Ghana's annual 300 million poultry imports. $300 million poultry import bill. The funds are currently being utilized for procuring 3 million birds distributed nationwide to almost 80,000 households. Household start-up packs providing 50-day-old chicks, initial feed support, and battery cages for each selected participant. Battery cages. We saw so many videos. Kevin, we have some here. Bank Crasso and other places are. You send phone because there were no cages in most of the places that we visited. Miamia bebraya ko here no. Na cages ni baby omude ma wo. Asosoni ase ade bayan kokon kitinkiti. 250 million budgeted for kokon kitinkiti. Enti nyama omo kan so omo de be ran kokon kitinkiti ni ba kokura ni wa ye adwuma. Ba kokura ni wa ye adwuma. Mese buso omo benefit say ye mo cages. The budget on feed start pack no busa say feed the say no munya aye. The sustainability of nkokon ni say ask them. Ask them. And that is how it is. Ask them. And that is how it is. But Mami Kwachi, Bibi, I don't want to be going back and forth. Maminko na many era Solomon Adumako or a drip coordinator our Efija Kwabre South. Na no pay yesi omo adwuma ni gidi omu guso pa clean up no yesi de we a omo asia tie simu no nyansem ketwa me sa ba ko ma che
ejo so pe gese
na bom te say
oba de end na clear na ho
Efija Kwabre South anope ho te say
ya mi ado na pe do ya na man family John Dramani Mahama adi ato ya say enenet na sisi mo nte so sa na yeso ya na be pimu ya say tie fe ya kono cementing
okay
and I dey ko because ye band no ye na so am for say band was cementing nti ya dia ko penti ni sa ni do ko die capital
okay
na ene o ba be ti say say other areas I won't where so I so ka see na so no ye de machines mo ye men so no kwan steady be ya be bia nchu ko na o ni di abefayeti nti ana pe di so ye washing
Adama ko na ahonke kan te say from Timamufo
oh you go see ala say ahonke kan di ho ka ba o di say e ko ani mo na ba soro because adema ko a lack of communication and information no say ko from sa
okay
ya na fa ko ye so say information department and say ade e national assignment no ma da go no ko from so the Timamufo so be aware no mo no washing can be a implement for me when say more na we implement information na ko from no information bit ma ko yi no mo so di so na say
na say we kra hwe a ho no kra information van bia mene na mu kra mu border rule
yeah information van na say na mo say di mo nten so and some say to ko ni ma so ko this say be a channel na be mega classifier
enti mo so mo ya de mo na mfidie kra mo na de na mo plan say mba ye ho
ya wono ya wo gates ni su bi o se ma na kwayo
okay
na su ni timi nantim and the major challenge is say ona ati isu alo o to na sa se ni ya no fa isu alo say wa ti akem no develop and say one of the challenge o ba kono no na sa se na no to fence what ten dey block isu no na wo sa and dey megu research no block isu no o mun jai fi say isu dey isu mutimi isu kwayo na yintimi eni ye hoso ni ye challenge ke se obi fa ball aro hwe egu bi nsu akwan da emwa ye hu se ya de ba ya le te ho e ha ya so
I see e ja no pa idea nkomo na wo ne Efija Kwabre South fo nyina edi wona wo fi asese omunya emma meka mu hu e ye nane e kina ane ye
me fo fi de kese so asre Ghana mighty team ne bi ato Efija Kwabre South se ahon di babo kwa ka ahon di wasem ahon di se be utwa ma si amada be pimu ho ye Jacob o mo plata mo man temo no manim o mo ye na as a community basis se de bi esi se de man temo to BMP now be bia emurada ye be se kwa na ye yi man temo ma na e udi di se so ye ni out ye ya ye wasu bi sika so ye bo ho ba ye se Efija Kwabre South ade se na channel in Piedmont so na yin sisi se de wampela ka no
okay alopai ma ya na se na enu anwumre no na ya sa abedi ko ni ahwe se de e ho ni si ye why
mate me so madam ase bibi
the drip coordinator ewo Efija Kwabre South Ora Solomon Adumako ana wote se ye no edi nkomo enso ewo ho enti ye be rewra mu sa na ye rewra importantnim na ya hwe se de esi ko looks like say Efija holding work from kakra do hwa drip for no mu humene so kakra aropa matis yesim fidie no de nam enso ni ma o tete gates ne areas bi o ho a enso ni floor because enkofo bi ablock it ti ya say ko gina wa say ena ese bu nkofo wo no because with time no matter saka odi aguo enso ni chance say buy in full force a ekoba no back won say bu wo no kwase me wom no because we've witnessed enkofo be bra mu wo it say Jericho enso so ni chance a kakran da ko beti ni yirim na egufom That is why I was not before, but because what you want to mean seems so quaint, and my omom wall area honor, there be a free air banner so won't chill. That be. But I remember back to the Nkokon getting kitty. So, as I was saying, you know, budget for Nkokon getting that was allocated. A drew baby, no. Now, call Ministry of State at the presidency. These are people omokase. Me say me tie sir Kevin Owen. Let me tie ministry no PR Ministry of Agriculture. I was like, these two institutions are confused. Omo we no me are confused. Obi an hu baby anahye sie. Ani baby anahye etra. Enti ani na musa na me ka chem say ekwan ye omo handle Nkokon kitinkiti. The number omudi ma omu. Nkokon ye de ma omu a baby a also omu ekogunu. They don't even have cages for them. Omo akoye proper background check and hwe se nipa na or a beneficiary no. Say nipa na ye de Nkokon ma no no. Owo baby or de Nkokon ni begu. But Utie Mikaipa Greater Accra Regional Minister said say under this initiative no ya won call for mu beko regularly akwa akwhwe say Nkokon no omu ye omu said the owo so omu ye omu buso omu ye Nkokon ne say omu ye beneficiaries ne say why na ba ho be check say Nkokon no kro mu ye proper data bank anomu kipu wo Ministry of Food and Agriculture ho. Proper data bay. Udi your number na. They don't even have so call ministry na. Ye nim baby Nkokon kro de call ye fie household ko na Nkokon kom ye nim. And sometimes me say initiative. Na me 24-hour economy. Na ya me sere. I'm not doing politics. I'm telling the truth. Set na eye mesere because ye chira ye lenses ye biemu a de hu some years ago efa planting for food and jobs no the same pattern anomadra feed Ghana for no so nemu the same kwan no kwan dada na a kwan of distraction a kwan ya ebebo kroi a kwan ya de ekabeba enu anomu nemu. And now you have a whole minister telling us, say, Nkokon die, omu die akomonum, very disgusting, very shameful, very me who words are me yusuma. And minister was telling Ghanaians, get coffee out to pay this money. 300 million budget for Feed Ghana 250 aye budget ye se Nkokon kitin. Now young chair minister obeka se make as much bo minister Dr. Eric Opoku, very fine gentleman. Now Dr. Eric Opoku kra under his watch na we koso dia any other ministry yewu. Dr. Eric Opoku a ministry na we koso any other ministry there yawu because a Greek minister on one kasa from the crab nim say ni esi afuo nim say ni esi yemmoa and the brilliancy that and intelligence that this man have nyasa wo papa we trim na ono Dr. Eric Opoku ono na so ye ana Nkokon ye di twa yenum ye di ye emutuo ene katenkwan na nkofo aye emutuo ne katenkwan because say bebre na aye party people no I don't have problems so the party ni obetima enyi but party ni a only the capacity we don't give our more doctor number nti omu ya no matwa dog emutuo ne katenkwan o no matwa no ma said but Dr. Eric Opoku video no. And let's listen to what he said. Let's listen to what this man said. I think me across the amount on this same issue. You see, I some, and we or two also can unperturbed as a ya good yebi. Ghana for sick yet what they are citizen. Yet the dear grow because say the initiative was not properly. We didn't think through. It was not thought through well. We didn't plan well. A minister was
and eat all. In fact, they were even sending me videos that honorable, we are eating everything. But this is not meant for that immediate consumption. We just wanted people to rear them, sell, and reinvest so that it becomes businesses.
That's the trending story, that they are eating the birds. You've seen it, that trending story I've just mentioned.
It's trending?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That they are eating the birds.
Oh, okay. But Mr. Chairman, even though we don't encourage that because we wanted them to capitalize on this, to earn something for their livelihood. If that is what they have decided to do, at the national level in aggregation, it also helps. If they are able to build a good taste for locally produced poultry, that is a big plus for us. Some also decided to kill and eat all. In fact, they were even sending me videos that honorable, we are eating everything. But this is not meant for that.
And yet, one year, they are sitting as if say ye concert. Over Doctor and Switcher ministry for any net almost so sre. Cause scan and fire home 250 million here be I near maybe Kebet me agenda 1 bet my 2 bison Kenya 35. Severe Hospital, Regional Minister, thank you so much. More you cry in a coho. I have to say more trouble. Other projects are here sika. Go for their view. Go for their young mutual nikatin. Every day about your law phone. Any action you are roasting the area. You have video side sending minister. Honorable, every area. And these people are okay. Hey. Yes, serious or may move. Agrone dorsal. Yet one are planting for food and joy. Phew! A joy is a car. Yanya won't she be seen it. Well, so the same pattern, the same trend. Phew! Yasha said the boom too. I'll pay Roman father a drone and I make for man because one here. Now more kuma kura too. Ebia now one of my otichi because in some near banning day. I'll pay Roman father the drone be on say titi stroke and acho. Ohonam 82, Ohonam yo ya. A Roman father ne drone, Father Martin said by Mr. Adopen and make for the amount. Ya dear aya kwan crodier. A Father Martins have Mr. Roman father ne drone. A ye a dra. Ya dear biaonum because a boa system no, and my system no kutia ya de wa. For 0247919122. 0247919122. And now 0552668517. 0552668517. A Roman father, Nedro no. And a pay no na make for Eddie amount. And a pay OSP Ghana, and a fertilizer Papa Abba. Fertilizer no ye wom ye no mudia to so dear vegetables. Mudia nyadwa ntos moko ne niam ekeka ho sa no. De wo hia ye OSP fertilizer MPK 15 and I said 2010 mudia legumes no munya OSP TSP fertilizer 0555 0355 909437 0355 909437 and now 0355 909433 na ofro mu a omonso be chew MPK fertilizer ya papa ko pe bi Google shop agrochemical shop baby aton fertilizer bia ko ne ko busa ubenya bia bowafo no na neoma asodoso oso on se kwa ohoi sika bom ne momo anye ne ya ana aboka anope 21st clinic clinic on its own esa yade bia ti se yade na ni din yade bia onsa yade bia your doctors so munim di ho your nurses so man ben your sonographers so man ben sa enso your biochemist o mu ni gina lab o ye adwuma ye hwehwemu etu yade no de ba o de doctor kasa o pass through OPD ye check o vitals ni nyina ye de wa ma doctor bedru o doctor ni wadi nkomo okay koye lab ehonum na biochemist for ho a o mu hwehwe mu je mom say okay we ye say ye report na command doctor achiro de obeye say also yem na oba bi etwa scanner ehona sonographers no ho mbetwa okama na afeum ya koma doctor na afi ya twro eduro mu ade akọ pharmacy ho ne ye eduro na ma na wakofie wakonom de wo say ebi wo a ye miamia ye massage physiotherapist for no ho ye do be call ne so ma ye physio emfidi a ye de diagnose ya de ho emfidi a de sa ya de ho sa nso ne nipa omutena se tie o ya de na hu ya de kro ho ana wona o sa ya de no ho enro so nyame de chai e de ache wo je bibidro di nko de 21st clinic ana make am for them e de sciatica expert usisi ya chitwe be su 90 a etwomen e che o sa ya de kase bi ba eye niani mu esemtime acho say ya de kese bi ba enti brane anhwe oni ntu ase ansa na di enya ayew eye 21st clinic over 15 branches all over Ghana. Offer numbers here baby eben no ni achiro no aba 0540311311 0540311311 0249311311 anopai Kumasi yewo ye otakrade yewo takwa yewo bebre Kumasi ehwa overseas junction Sompa FM Sompa TV osro no mo form ye ne afa radio ne ben so oboase council quarters called junction Accra ye Cottontra Hill Sunyani Regional Hospital say Sunyani Teaching Hospital ye o mados den ma first gate of Regional Hospital ye ni die nimhwe Nkransa Children's Park no ye ne ben ho so sanso na techman GN Bank dan da denim bread na ye hwe ma ohunto Anapetago eba Mr. Semen Kancho say be ma de moanim nwase erectile misfunction impotency eno sa de ne twam brata go ohoi ye du akaginamu ama impotency bema na ewu kojo to enye hwe nje sorry se wo bebre obetwetwe anje ho nneema ansa obro anope low libido bema ni atenkan ba wo ni atenkan tago heba Mr. no eye ma papa infections ahodo on so ade na wonko petago heba Mr. wo drugstore pharmacy shop heba shop biemu anope 0243 228296 0243228296 na eyetago ni heba Mr. Ananopay ye kanfo ede amount enso ewo ho abedwafo atena se na anopay yebedi nkomo enso ewo fie hanom na Yohani Abambila John onu ankasa sese okọ election na nia brigidi Ashanti Communication Team member for the National Democratic Congress John Abambila Anopay Macheng
Mejo wo so Nkwantabisa
ne pom ti say
alhamdulillah na me de nkwane ahoje ache
good ground so yeboko
nyame adom
position be ya deputy secretary ewo ahafuano no tepa yes na me kachiro
yes na ohe asante mantemu ase ya ye omahene eye guy osibi sita
na mufra white ni
yes bibia fita so ohe tepa na obatepa na wo nyoma
yes
mama fanchama no doctor nana du atwere wampem
metuche mano
wo hwe nyoma papa no ye no wo eye tepa ne mantem editwem merentia ema papa bona baso wo na dwuma okoso wo hu se no eye ahefo ene wo so mudibo po omo ekuro ne politicians sabi politician beba beba obeko but ohene ne de osi wonom I remember ohin won tena so krampo no more than 20 years what that so won MPP abako MDC abako and ohe se ni kuro no beda mpansa ne mo wo se woye nneoma ebe mamba bu na nya adwuma so ayede ayenti papa ye chiawo bo wa baso pa wo adwuma wo ye wo eye tepa ina ma menchia de ese ahene etu ahene wo NDC ma wo ahafo no no na me pancha kese ma wo nyina omo a party ni bi okwan tum omunya wo pepa so back far forms na o masa some party no wo form no in fact yebo mabaso na ye show mu nkra wo madwuma omo so omo be ye de aboa NDC no ye to so bi mamenchia eye the boss made nyina the first class chief of staff honorable Dr. Julius Debra when a Juma Sonko papa nebo or the Tayura John Dramani Muhammad Chama Yura Muhammad Mamu Efan into my perfume. I'm a fan chakese amano when a Juma papa ebo. Okay.
Medase. Now for General Buhari ejina maba na New Patriotic Party MPP. General marching.
Nkwantabisa mechiso.
Enyo membo ko de.
Nyankopon adom ye honye aja ye ho kire ye ndie nanso so se ye won kwa na ade bechi na ye betumi asori akoye dwuma so de na se yeda seda ene nkamfo ebema twedia mpo Nyankopon na Nkwantabisa se na sefata no mamemfa nchia sonko enko me constituency offense of South constituency South constituency
okay
nyame adoma ochina ena ye to constituency elections no na obia even as abedu obia in the campaign every na ni dikan mesre offense all the polling station executives any electoral area coordinators ye besre wo mo chairman Joe Salah the incumbent chairman Jumason a ma party in 2024 e ka ho na itimi protect ye seat no papa no eye juma wan shedem na wanye ne ho armchair chairman in fact ye bo flags na nkenye chairman juma ba na udim ye bo platforms me kan Dr. Bawumia eba offense for the thank you to na ye ne chairman na ye bo platform banners chairman juma di bia e wo so obi edibia no ode no ejemu bi na break a crap because of say na enkofo no mu ye adwuma no na omuntumi nso na semi
okay
the sanity in this elections ono ankasa apaw enkofo edu omudi nechi a owo gidie say nyame adom ne yeto abano ma wo mu nyina wo mu ebetumi aso nasene na semie adwuma a wo so oye no ono mu nyina ache aye ntano pei mede ahombrase kwan so besre offense polling station executives and all the electoral area coordinators ye besre mo otena wo koto aba no a enhwe bebia otoma chairman Joe Salah na wato ma eye enipa 9 na wo mo ka no hu nyina no na offense afa no ntoma pa afra eno fura manembra eye Ashanti region na mentia the next Ashanti regional youth organizer eye senior Martin Amiao and now ko bibia mabunu se kebe kwa me ento aba yemanu ko no post because Martin Amiao from the days from K-Poly as the TESCOM president in fact in 2012 organized the biggest youth rally on campus the whole of Ghana a K-Poly campus and my yewra and adakwa Akufo-Addo then candidate Akufo-Addo eba be grace a program no it's eba youth mobilization na obieni wa obetimi anase mekase oni Senior Martin ebetumi aye emprempren enti besre Ashanti region all the executives nyame adomo a Wednesday ye pick from the regional elections ye besre mo ahombrase kwan so papa no ne ho jo ne nso so edene wa woni say barracks boy de na ne edene but owa ahombrase sebe mpreduasa de bia me panyi dika asem bi wo se otu abama sebo a oni sebo e na betena lemom na yebesere se obi a owa ahobrase no betima ye adwuma no de ono no Senior Martin Amiao nti besere party 4 maburu no omo ankase se form no mpo omepeke ma Senior Martin Amiao na me sure and rest assured say nyame adoma Martin be win regional youth organizer no the party no afri opposition akọ abaemu ode ye free adum e de akọ adum na me no si no mensa nchia the next regional chairman ode no ho Kwakobia dodo aja eya Asantema Kuka nyame adom a onu na ebedi chairman no oni Senior Martin aye adwuma no ama Asantema afọ ne tuba na no ankofo besi ani ntwi omesi ni twi Asantema mu ebi si biem you make sure you stand the guide no be ntimi fa kuntuna asifa in ntwe bia mese sha asase ni mu man ko fo ye nim asanteman you be stand the guide you make sure say asanteman ebefa ni to perfra na Nkwantabisa Minua Bambila is all elections.
Yeah.
He's very good gentleman. Even though they were in this internet or propaganda kakara. But ejumano between aye. It's mesre tepafo. Where they can be in this phone come. But now so enipa no me na hia ache obuno ho odumi huni sebe modi jumadi ni manwa obetumi aye ejumano mesre eye tepa NDC branch executives. Minua Bambila is all deputy secretary. Moya na mwa na modi na kwa munum ho de biarada.
All right. National cleanup exercise for 7 regions, Greater Accra Ashanti region, and then you have Western North, you have Volta, you have Central. Jehanso Yakahubi. John, Mamisha same free ho. 2 days and ye dear way and then fear ana ochini memene.
Nkwantabisa, medas ahun die me die me hu ne se ehu hia na odi hu ne so a enya gye se e da kope na wo se odidi hu ni e wo se eto mu da na ema obi ni hu se ahun die nsem a wo kan wani abrese opese odi hu ni Nkwantabisa e de ba de na akofa sa ne ma we nyina ba na nse ya Ade si Accra aya Friday na isiye ma nipa pempem nyoma eseye ebinum ehwere omonkwa ebinum kura sabi kafra ba bi omo beda kra no na eye den ede ma wo ene kofa sa nsem wo nyina ba na ne abanya ayewa John Dramani Mahama ede ni mu se ba bi adu ye hwe bonkum enhwe nifa yemu na yanka mum se Ghana fo na yentete ye gates mu na yempra community si kroma oman no indinia na megidi se eya de pa eya sempa ena omampanyini ene na soafo ede aba uni Nkwantabisa ade ye ni kwa se eso ha se ye 2 days intini ye ya na ye ja ato wonu dabi e wasi nyina ye hye emra ni mu kena na you make sure say the bia etwase busumi bia ye saade we bia no etwase ye tu Nkwantabisa mesre ye de ne yatin kurase ne yefe no tankers for mesre say sama no ye saade baba bia
Ashanti region for Ashasi.
Yes. Ye saade baba bia if we say saade no wo hono no na buama obia to ni fie ni ne mantemu yi ubekokro mu be hu se gata ewo ho no ma nioma wo mu asabi kafra ebon no etuhwa no be hu se timamuni no make sure sana da obia o te ben gata no make sure se obe yi mansa na de wo se woton waye de woton because onim se wanye na sensa mansa man ba eyo mu o mu ye adwuma wo ho no mu no o mu na ye de sobo no be ye de ebebo mu omo so na ye be sama omo so na be kwa kutua sika wo so omo ye dai omo tua eti eba sa no na ma oman na hu ne die no koso na ye dai e koso ye wi sa de ni free ho no mu no abe ha oman no abeji oman na bro eti meswe aban ese aban make sure say what this initiative no be sa ye dai ababiem na ma hu ne die afa ne ntuma pa ye dai efra sa de we Nkwantabisa e koso enye APP ena enye NDC da bia meka na mekoso aka obi a mehye ni bia meka ze nsuo ya efa amanfu yi ya nsuo ni ba no wa muza so ye NPP ni o wa muza so ye CPP ni o ena wa muza so ye NDC ni o sabi wa muza so okrampo no wona wo ye John Mahama ba na sa wona wo te ben John Mahama fie ana sa wona akufo ado wona ni bi nkomo da bi nsuo ni ani woni aso no wa busa obi asem eti esi fa nyina eti abeye ayi amanofuo NPP ni NDC ni ye hwe na ye mpa de we hope na sibre in the year 2013 ABC omampani na reba kwa akufo ado pens ebiesi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama penso ebiesi That the young Kama BBC and son of Yaya say you to be a dear one and one. Because that is the question I was saying. There be the answer, they said there be. No more both NPP and this year, or my Ghana, when you move, she say, you be able to me a boo or my more minor fun into my person. And who be here seeing never kaya baby. Now I did beer a seer. Because the bisa, affect or mine piano. You shall not into us here. Now you make sure says I didn't been to me a day. And Sibium. Now you're more minor fun into my partner the infra. And neck I at you can say. Watchina, ye ma, baba bebusa ye say. I then I got a mama. Muna kwenda mo kasano. Man kan sama bebu ama Ghana mpenifuo. Atunye tu na mobi. No momodi NPP ni NDC ntade ye share money. Na modi e mo di Ghana ye dey abro. Eti e braso. Ese issues like this no. Eni kwa say ye ne politics. Ye nyina ye hwe kwan pa ye befa so a. Ye betumi asi saade wi ya no kwan. Na ma Ghana afane ntuma pa ye dey. Efa fi say Ghana ye yi a enye ye ma John, enye ye ma Mimia, enye ye ma obi enye ye ma ye Ghana fo. Ye head the South Africa for ye eye mama for South Africa. They dey try omuso omu angaza peso, omu manage omu angaza economy. Omu angaza bi ebebi omu angaza businesses. Send be ya omu economy, omu ekuro no betumi afane ntuma pa fo no omu ehu say. Yanuma ye free ye kuro mo bo omu kuro so ye na ye be say omu kuro no. The same thing echoes for different countries. The same thing echoes because Mimi Ghana and you said you Korea, maybe I took that time. Or no, if you outside by no use them right now, Ghana has also the battle got them. And we are not Jamaica, but the Lamy share video be a Facebook. One lady be out to two, I don't know, say Ghana had ya, and I think say Ghana has it. And so took the video. A one run, quite a visa. No, dear book and tame or dear good got or person so a day, actually. All these things, we are, yes, I the sublo as a quackable politicians. Sebikafa, Timon for your wasudi, a bansu wasudi, Sansuna Hifoni and Quanquasu a day, a was a sudi. You know, you sippy, you sita, your mother boss wasn't it. Now you make sure say, Yasudia was your more minor fun into my prefer. Yasudi afa ahuni die wo no Nkwantabisa nyina ye be ye ho adwuma na boama Ghana afa ne ntoma pa ye dey efa because penifo na bi bi se konfubon ya wasi krobo no ebo a wo ye dey what movie this ye nyina ye se ye pa Ghana ye de a ene ye nyina ye make sure say betra na mo Ghana be fa ne ntoma pepe me de manu si kra no da bia me ka se ya ye wo Ghana ase no da bia ye se o ye wo Ghana ha eti ye mfa mara nya adwuma ba do travel kwa bo chese ya na ukwo ya no de mara be ya adwuma ho no why but sene kwa be say ene hwade bu ha se ya twe obi aso edi obi adam pin refuse de agu ba bi eni kwa se odi gu ena ya twe na so ene ye se wo de enye fan enye penalty no mo ye de wo fa mara ni na sa de na wo ye no you do work prison. If you are 1 year cramping, you see the people will stand up and say, I deal with you, and I didn't have to. I say, I'm not dear beer. I'm my young to my move on, so young fat this dear beer and Fima. Kwamtabisa, and now they say a bad boy in it, a bad boy. It's you make sure. Say yes to your mother, what Ghana happen or something. Kwamtabisa in 2023. Flood Esiga NDC National Communication Officer. Bra in Sujiri C in 2023 under NPP government. Contributed asema semi defikache nanado name Ghana for. Or say the government of the day should be the one to be blamed for its failure to curb this flooding menace. We pay our taxes to them and not to any individual. It is their responsibility. Sami Jenfi said, "So you may see under NPP nado, you have first of all and one nado. If you say, oh no, any to a tax demand to one, they will say, yeah, a NPP, any NDC for yentem." It's very unfortunate. It's breaking. And wow, if only you are human, we nipa nkwadia. Sa adia si ubedi hu yawo.
na e ya wo sem fi say e bitimi atomi e bitimi ato sene yi na ye Christopher eni nkramofo na ye Bible ne ye Quran e kire yen say ye no ye yonko se ye ho and say obi ekọ ahokyere mu a enye saa bre no enye de ba be ya manyo ba de be sere NDC fo ena omuntu esa afutui e be sere wo mo ma wo mo mfa saa enyem wei enya manyo biom e wo ma we mo mama yehu ebra ye be ya manyo ni yehu bra e was ya attach some seriousness to issues Nkwantabisa with regards to jumadi ya ye dino ochnen.
Yeah.
I'm very glad.
And then ochna.
I'm very glad say bra aban de krata buy say we yi sa 2 days yemfa enye kidnap exercise no. I'm very glad MPP anye press conference oppose nemum no ye de krata abamotin supporto aban no. In fact on record MPP nkwane amanyuku a wo Ghana ha me niwu kesei oma issue krata say wo mo ni aban no ka mo bo no ma kidnap exercise me no kesei political party bia mfa krata ma bonten and country members said they should join the kidnap exercise. It's only MPP amanyaku and the krata aba bonten there be extra how patriotic MPP is and the aban no say yentin si mountain so nyen quick kidnap exercise and Nkwantabisa me be state on record our platform yi so say MPP nkwane amanyuku a wo Ghana ha a the krata aba say MPP ni bia wo Ghana ha bia krata na aban dia ba bonten no yen hwem yen ni so na yen fa wunyem na yen quick clean up exercise and no ever show the reason why over the dinner a new patriotic party. The patriotism no I won fifi ho no Nkwantabisa ehu djuma bi ene yedi no etimesre MPP ni bia se le yewura general secretary Justin Kodua Frimpong e de krata ba bonten CFA ehu nyim no me no kasai me wona tin good se me kan no me ba mayi matpo kama bibi program ya metiasi from na yina yakwakoboa na ya som na ye djuma no se na menwa bambele kasa no wo se konfobon ya wuti krum kuna ukasa e ma e ba we den utimbi and oyile e ba it doesn't look at political party colors and then so you see in cry no am fa NDC for and am fa MPP for if Ghana for now why fa obi any you may belong to one or the other political party but say national disaster na e ba en check o colors it your best obia mumma yen no Ghana mumma yen raise Ghana and standard ama afofo behwe yen no masua yen enye bebia na ye be politics and a national assignment and then what china it your best MPP libya baby a wo hwebia mumma yen na yen fa ye ho enyim na dwumadie a aban no edie no na party nso ama directive no yen fa ye ho enyim ni nyina yen tumi enclaim na Nkwantabisa me say one of the schools I think say Osei Tree Secondary School okes na also wo mo so class o students no o mu nyina bitasi abonten no mu nyina adjoin the clean up exercise me pese me fa kwansu na me bam nsem ema okes headmaster and the management say o mu nyina edo mu ha James school for mofra no eni na fa mu nyimbi o say ye train mofra no amama be ye penyimpa into responsibility no e say o cheche wo mu ne na o mu nya o ma hu say ampa o mu asudie as citizens of the country it e best other schools no so no o mo so enwani na djumadie no enye peyo
me da say o say to senior high school there every year bi o me clean up te ba ho ni die a o ti die obi anim say exercise ya fan world cup ti ma me mo mu so abaso na me mo headmaster abaso and so
that's the Adani All Students Association.
Good. I bet you John. Okay, I started with you. My member tribunal and area getting. Buhari, so minority said there be tribunal ya pesa yesa ediban kaneno. Ya amhwe ye na ya maneba injustice. And then you may be a PNDC time, your witness say, and our main witness say, and one a year qua faba. You didn't say that Attorney General raise it in Parliament. Saying a bear system and again go back to it. the tribunal system no yɛde di asɛm ɛwɔ man where experts sit down on the jury and then they decide no minority sit da adeɛ sɛ ɛmoae
Nkwantabisa mame ensa fan chasho kuma watie fo nyina. Okay, so in regards to tribunal na ampeso mo sa de ba no many minority for adwene yen share the history of a tribunal na ankasa bra PNDC aban established in 1982. Within that period Yura Jerry Rawlings coup d'etat oba ebetina konwa no so as the president of the country. Sabre no na omunishiti the tribunal courts na omuredi asem na the structures no as you said omuyi chairman na omayi other two people mostly na ebinim krampo no any legal brain na idoma betina jury ana omuna tena panel no so edi asem ohwe ana ohwe wechi a during that time no sa court no motie no it was used in a way to which hands Hilary man and Crawford. And over precedents now over history no. According to reports, most of ensemna omudi sabre no now it moves in favor of the president and answer the government of the day. So it is believed says Crawford no omo kotranso omudi asemwa mostly aban one about appointed jury ombetena Nkwantabisa occasion so. Na yenim ye wasantememu. Yenim say sebi enkoko ena ye judge for na de tafre ekugino se bidina semwa yemi yempo no tafre no wadi for vize bebi wabeto mu no de wabeto nkofo a already omunye nkofo a omo powder da enti se wo hwe how na eye adwuma no a yado ba ho man na sa tribunal no operate in power with yan kasa your court system no enti unlike your court system no a now you want some legal technicalities. You want say you be more quiet for evidence in your money brano. Oko tribunal let entisa. It's in paper you know most of the people we don't call no. Nobody will not were default. Only the clear legal representative to set near your court system ready. ACT. Nkwantabisa say oh share. You start say yeah by 1992 year by year. Nkwantabisa ka tribunal no eda wo wa. The likes of Yura are to forcing. Maybe a bad thing say a ambulance, a 2.3 million euros be 7 previous none who born movie. A court, a Drew baby, and Kofiba say on person may plea bargain on his behalf. No, in Nkwantabisa says our case, none can you do no tribunal by now at to forcing ABS become Okunu a firing squad. In Nkwantabisa a BM. So, oh, you need opening callers Dauda. Also no could be a German with $200 million be with Saglami. Nkwantabisa say anka kolenda case no kid no tribunal court by now kolenda Abian by now ka omokun firing squad. And your presidents you by no what so no court na even tribunal court no enye djuma sene yan kasa ye traditional court. Et in pempe omudi asem na omudi asem no ema no in favor of the government of the day. And in say meti hey na say at tribunal court na ya power me say me na me chairman of that jury say me can no or structures na or ma appointed the chairman plus some other two people most of them not a big legal brains and automatically you remember na so na me MPP ne no me be serve the interest of the country there but the interest no be lie will be appointing me say me better as the chairman of the jury and clearly say be ande minua any focal position e minua bambila abamanim or tribunal na me chairman
say untimi nye chairman without having a legal background.
That's what I made mention say the chairman no a legal brain but the other two edum kan no mostly na be ni legal brains o check it almost structures no but chairman no de na e was say o legal brains but chairman also is appointed by the government of the day. Nkwantabisa many name say o ma yetimi de se me no na appoint abambila so onko represent na onko di juma di bia o di juma di na mostly obey bias.
I said judges said so any also obey so bias.
Very good, but most of the judges they have been in the system since 1982. A few people and along the way be pension na be dey and replace you. It's your judges who are and let me look say they were appointed under NPP government. They are still there. Say they were there by merit. And the same thing, NDC by also for judge for because they are there what by merit. But with regards to the Jew, many friend agenda court because back then no friend the revolutionary court, family affairs court no. Until you almost serve the interest of the revolution. You almost serve the interest of Chairman Jerry John Rawlings. It will believe say you book come you question ye chi. Ni share precedents. Ni refer no musi do mujuma back then na. We've believed say if it is reinstituted, one share ni say the darker days of the coup d'etat 1982 J.J. Rawlings eyeye ankrofobi ye falko ebisu eku omo a omanya ekwenya ankasa and defend omo ho ye and fashion with
we are saying this because of President Bia Esi during Chairman Rawlings, but we can look at the other part of it, aspect of it. You say the tribunals and also the system whereby you don't need a lawyer. You can represent yourself. A warning or form cases contempt. These are and your man, the Attorney General also were looking at. And this time around, there's no Chairman Rawlings. So you're looking at the other aspect. A bit my boy or mine. Why do we have to, based on the President SC, to demonize this new idea?
Nkwantabisa, you say where we are coming from sometimes determine where we are going.
Exactly.
Trimupa, editi tribunal no. Besinde, send some kind of shadows to us. Now, you made mention, say you wouldn't need any legal representative. Ne bonus or elf form. Nkwantabisa, even under this current legal and answer your structures no. Oko courts wa wo aname sa ultimate for lawyer. O man kasa wo lawyer for aye for me den. State attorneys. Emma dey ba gina ma. It's Nkwantabisa. E di ade ne pese ya yentimi fa your court system yi enye. If we need extension, example under MPP, almost see more courts in the state no. Now we have the circuit courts, we have the district courts, we have the high courts, we have the court of appeal. And to say you need more room and more space to even try cases. Why don't we even build more courts? So baby, able to me, I extend this I could be in some of these courts. And again, and look create employment. I'm here to me far from your Jumanya. I'm about a judicial system. If already we have this court system which is working. And you per se, you could add another architecture. So I believe, say I told you have Philistine or per se, you extend your core system one. And you almost court to be day and come. Let some create employment. Send your one, you be create employment. Two, you bet me a fast tracking your cases at the court.
Your point is well made. Thank you, John. Tribunals. Yes, sir.
Any people for there at the PBA, they will try to oppose it.
Samo.
Because tribunal no, as or the president, Eba, Jelly Pencil, now Mobodi, they say coup d'etat, no home cordeba. We are not in the era of coup d'etat. But let me admit this. In the Constitution, Article 2:1, we said this Constitution shall be the supreme law of Ghana, and any other law found to be inconsistent with any provision of this Constitution shall.
Yeah.
Let's look at the tribunal. Tribunal, a idea, a word the Constitution, man. Send your own the history of tribunal. Quiet fast way by and yes, say yes, it's true. But at this time now, you women, the tribunal now, Ebano. Nina, we need to move from running and sending some nanka. A brad jelly pencil, we say ye do the Marana sending some now or any day or pay. You have I say in the 1992 Constitution, chapter 11, it talks about the judiciary. Article 126. The judiciary shall consist of a number of so it means that judiciary I was a year under the judiciary and who's a local. Send this to confer the full to the Abia body, Ade Akye Abia, a president here. Mimi John, I will not support it. But so far as it is in the supreme law of this constitution, we need to accept it and make it possible. Now, in Fanya Juma or Ghana, so see, the judiciary shall consist of A, the Supreme Court of Judicature comprises 1, the Supreme Court, 2, the Court of Appeal, 3, the High Court and regional tribunals. B, such lower courts or tribunals as Parliament may be established. Go on and on, call Article 142. It talks about regional tribunals. Tribunal na ebano. The reason, the brain mind behind tribunal is say, you check cases baby you be na. Betimako High Court. It will take you more than 2 years. Maybe 2 years for some crime. But you have tribunal now you to me the case in kitty be another case be and thank them. Send you there, a court system no appeja afan into my pie day. Efra. Shadi a go football no man, illegal minors. We're 2 more. I saw Domako, Abia High Court. Let's just imagine. High Court cases here, a wohonoma omudienu. Obi case betumi trans more than 2 years, 3 years. After the case require year. It's your tribunal mra. Not such offenses be a air cost no. Tribunal not to me I handle these offenses. Send your beya. A bebo man no me be honoma yet to me in term. This is the idea behind the tribunal na ye deban. Article 142 see. There shall be established in each region of Ghana such regional tribunal as the Chief Justice may be determined. A regional tribunal shall consist of the Chief Justice, the one chairman, blah 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 blah. Maminkai and you follow any who can ban. Article 142 follow. What the Maminkai train because a regional tribunal shall be duly constituted by a panel consisting of chairman no less than 2 other members, other panel members. A person shall not be appointed to be a chairman of regional tribunal unless he is qualified to be appointed as a justice of the High Court. Your case will be appointed to be the High Court one. Remember, say the person I also work 10 good years old experience as a good standing lawyer, and I bet to me I didn't call. It's that precedent na ye can was say coup d'etat benzo. Saben not that idea no honumana. That idea were not there. Because me of the country. It's no say Buhari na me pena. No for Buhari. Na Buhari to na mo bia also here otu. But with this constitution any the tribunal no. You say nipa na you be appointed to be the chairman of the tribunal no. Must be obia or 10 years experience and will be so or you good standing lawyer. And the dibra and will be our High Court today. It I don't see anything wrong with the tribunal ever. Maybe the NPP opposing tribunal and say there are certain cases you all man. They presume say those cases will begin in time. Ama ebia omuko fo na say Ghana ni bia bibi fa no ho no ne ho akwa ka adwam. Senyasa ade if you read the constitution now you read the this tribunal na eba no any ayibia wo this constitution. I think say maybe NPP should support this tribunal so far as it is in the constitution. Right. So far as say one might the basis of it no it tells you meaning say you the bar epeboa ama o man no to me afa into my prefer certain offenses bi wo hono ma media ente you be dim tem other way tribunal no so no the cost involved no e wo form eti me ni obi me ne Buhari na case ya you betu mi akọ
me that say
yeah unlike this case the NPP versus the Attorney General and I say the NPP versus NDC of which our case we na NDC for saying and I say na a baby druya omo ye say what do you call it omo be celebrate bibia 4th June. And Omka say, Omubeyi sika every the public office. NPP the court. As I say, you to me and Sadia. Nature say, yes, sir, enforce that coup d'etat near day. Our Ghana has him. The Supreme Court, then what can I say? And the NPP for can a woman general and some day. Agree.
Okay.
The same thing. This case, you know, when you are there. HS and Nujuma is in the constitution of Ghana.
Yo, Medasi. Thank you. Mama Sam Brown Hodum na young Shanko Conkiting the few minutes we have. Ma buying an Shanko Conkiting Kitiasi. Na Uti minister and Ra at the committee. Some of the two Ghana Fosike, the idea Mount Kukoi. Near Saint Kuko Yanya cross 7.something million dear. Ye be young Kuko neb Abama Ghana for Enyabi. Fairly amount for the Chucky Bab near the John Kuko Kitting. Is it a failure? Is it an initiative? A year ya fairly. And I say, Unhun is set is early days yet.
Yeah, we have a visa. And Kuko Kitting issue. Major and Matthias, who say. One of the best initiatives are by the buy, but anamotuno angwe she adebu ahase nkokonkeden keteno adenti nkokonkeden keteno enoma we nyina ekoso no the lack of education and training yan omo ayede nkokon ma omo no omo enya enenti na minister say obi to me aye nkoko owie na wati akoko na ku odi aye kebab wa je ne club bi so no na wo twa video dey say minister show but the idea no nye say akoko na ye dia ma wo no koye na nkum ye dey ewe ya se koye na epibi ka ho na yen no sua nkoko yen because na portrait farm sika ye dey ewe but because of say ya ma wo mo education any training you no oh baby akwa kudu it's going forward and you say see the initiative bi ba aban whether NPP or NDC any kwasa ye pray ho ye more proper education on sa initiative na ye dey dey aba program na ye dey aba no ti na mu ye o di ade na akwa ye no won ti ase ye we ni nti e wo akwa ye ade no se de be ya nipa no kokwa ya sa ade we na nipa no ye no enza repeat bi two binia bintia amasa no ma we nyina ekoso no ye kwanya ye fa so a ye che nkokon nketenkete no e kwanya ye fa so a ye che because the idea ne say ka ye ba bebu ama obi a na adwuma ye dey aye but one of the failure idea ye de ba won bo because we dey nkoko 2 3 akwa akoma me say menye ya hwe the cost involved car nipa nebo obi ka tell me say onya nkoko 3 minia nkoko 3 no what 2 weeks no aboka almost 4,000 what do you call it 14,000 sorry 1,400 nkoko 2 or 3 waboka 1,400 enyani a wato no it means that sa distribution process na ye fast no na nya ade ye dey eye na wo say minia ya mama fo sua fi omo a omo ya porto farming ho no mo na yetumi sha ede nkokwa no mo omo no mutumi de ya adwuma se na ebe ya omo so ekosua ya na omo ye porto no obi so beba besua wo no so ayedai ase na obi so ade dimdie ne ko na obi so akwa kosua at the end of ubehu se nkokwa no yetumi aye nkokwa bebrebe de e wo Ghana ha se enu ka wo bi na amasa ne ma we nyina yedai e ko ho bia hwade bu ase wo de nkokwa 3 ama me se menyen na matumi aye nkokwa 3 ni na maboka aban amom ho ka ba akokra ama me a ugidi se me de bade yesi obi e no ma wa ye nkokwa akoto preko na mu abonten se wo de be wo fufu da akokwa na bi no bekuma ye dai awie eti nipa na wo ye akokwa no saa de ni bi no be ye dai akokwa na bi no na adwe ne se wo so okum ye de owie but e was aban de ne nansi from say going forward the nation ya ye di gu akwan mu ne say nkokwa se ne ye che ne mre bi ya twam this time no ye nche ne saa na emomu no ye de nkokwa no be ma omo ye portrait farming no na ya pe amanfo no makwa kosua nimdie fi poultry farmers no ye de go wusu na akokɔ ni bia watumi aye nkokɔ na botaya ye de ma wo ne sɛ o ye nkokɔ no de asua kwan aye fa so ye poultry farming na aboa ma wo so watumi anya adwuma ye de aye na aboa ma wo so a wo susu sɛ wuti fie kwa wo nya hwe no wo so watumi asua bibia ye de afi baabi ebie make sɛ enra the great minister also akoka kyerɛ ɛyɛ members of parliament say what they say initiative free be day eba members of parliament so for mo ho nye day engine me who say a good idea pa me Nkwantabisa the question is that some members of parliament nkoko ayede ma omo no yede ma omo free so omo nya for omo private business which is ujidi pa so mi pa some members of parliament nkoko ayede ma omo no yedi ma omu free so omu nya obenya nkokɔ ne sɛ me yɛ nkokɔ dia ma o my god
abisa ne dia enya
approach we ya ban we bi ba nyansa wo mu no kwan yɛ fa so a yedi nkokɔ ne ma yɛ no ɛno na ayɛ dɛ akɔfa problem we nyina ayɛ dɛ aba etimesre sɛ aban bi wɔ NPP or NDC yɛ ba ne yedi initiative na program bi ba yɛhwɛ kwan a yedi program na yɛ dɛ
Medaso John, thank you very much. Buhari and Kokon Kete.
And Rachel said there is hope for the good people of Tepa. We have yen yakoswaka say NDC policies or campaign promises no. Dodwana no not any clear definition. Not any clear definition. And Nkwantabisa Kitty Nkwantabisa some fear a beer during John Mahama the presidency part 1 sada ye confirm 15 million Ghana cedis yes confirm you so mo tuko Burkina so mabade aminem John Mahama president part 2 ene ye dani di no eye no eye Nkwantabisa na Nkwantabisa on 30th November 2025 and the president and lanchi here in Nkwantabisa na ne kasa mu no o ka sembi o say eye Nkwantabisa no a wo mo eche no ye chama wa wo mo a bema eduane a wo de be feedi emwa no o mo nkokɔ no a ono bema eduane a wo de be feedi emwa no na I want me bisa say o mo che nkokɔ no o mo di nwane no e ba ya na 2 according to one kasa data no yes o mo che nkokɔ be 3 million birds na pe omo enchichemu no e was a district bia enya 10,000 birds and now wo je mwana ye no eni kwaso bia je less than 50 birds Nkwantabisa but baby e bi na nkokɔ just 5 10 15 it kai bra na NDC eye ne campaign 2024 na o hyehyɛ bɔ no e bonu bo ha omo hye ye omo nim se eye bosiri mu ka eye bo a omo hye dada Ghana for ene to ba na ma wo mo na minim sa ade we enko si bibia na me hoi na me sui say Ghana ya spending $21 million and ya koto enkoko abema NDC branch executive so money and a great minister ti committee so oka na eye necessary me to na me nsu no mu taxpayer na saka Ghana eye Eriko Poku a great minister na japade a ena ni employee eyi ni sika mu 200 million eto nkokɔ cha amanfo anka obetena committee so asere ya na obi mi di ni ho yaw was the majority leader Honorable Mahama Yarega on the floor of parliament na ya raise assembly Ghana boka $21 million a bit near fan nurse for over 50,000 ejuma Ghana ya boka $21 million aton koko a bit for teacher for over 100,000 ejuma sikana yasi ashi obi are and the leader of government business in parliament oh sorry ya what the jokes e catch Honorable Habib some mo de be jollof Abreno, gracious me, how did we get here?
There you saw Niti Hutu laughing. How
did we get here? It as leaders. Your book at $21 million. A year must I assume. You catch a gun and mob yet mean for much more for Yenisika. But you need $21 million. Only cost it is 2 trillion. 2 trillion. Aton koko. Ama nkrofobi awe na kwa. Abra mrantie restu omunye djuma nye. Mrantie titifie omunye djuma nye. Yenisika. Aton koko. Ama amanfo eda read your love. Ama millet hey. Anu pay wakasa se na ne ho dene. Ni de no wada di fufuo. Ana wote ya. Wadi fufuo. Goket nkete no. Ware. Yen MP before you tuap a twa kese. Mori don't put mama be anwe. Ba yen ka mo hwe. A day of reckoning is coming. Accountability. And Nkwantabisa may come way on this platform. 7th January 2029. Yes, swear Dr. Bonye into office as the president. Me lead the task force to arrest Obia Wajen Koko Kete $20 million. Ye maninko wasted that. Ghana for munya jidie. Mo kama ko ntu muyem. Eye musika noa. Yes, omra ton koko o marry eye o mo say o ma fo mu ho adi no. Me catch them on the 7th January. Great minister. Ye di $21 million amano wako di ni kwa. Now, what's the parliament? Now, Austin, I am telling you, okay. I will lead a task force to arrest everybody.
Thank you.
The best of accountability.
Thank you. Thank you, Buhari. I think that Mranuko. Hey, Nadia Mohonding. Bama Bantam sports we. Banchevio. All right. Mamiya birthday sweet. And tente Mamiya birthday sweet, Kevin. Na catch your more no me win. So come on. Happy birthday to Cecilia Obeng from Rhoda Gemfi. So, Cecilia, today is your birthday, a glorious birthday to you. Enjoy this wonderful season and moment. May God be with you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Hawa Abubakari at Asante Mampong. Yamisha Opi from Nana Osu Bempa at Chempim Hene of Seche Beposo Traditional Council. So, Hawa, happy birthday to you, Nyame Onsha P. Happy birthday to my finest brother, Kwajo Sapon, aka Body Inside. Body, okay, inside Ahafo.